Have you ever asked yourself what transforms a man's feelings from casual interest to deep, unshakable love? What makes him go from simply enjoying your company to being unable to imagine life without you? Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind 7 irresistible acts that don't just capture his attention, but his heart and soul. And trust me, these aren't your everyday tips. They're powerful, unique, and designed to make an unforgettable impact. Let's dive into these 6 irresistible acts that make men fall deeply in love. Act 1, show unshakable self-respect. Here's the thing, nothing commands respect and admiration quite like showing that you value yourself. When you set clear boundaries and stick to them, you're sending a powerful message. I know my worth and I won't settle for less. This isn't about being confrontational or rigid. It's about demonstrating that you have standards, both for yourself and for how others treat you. For example, if he cancels plans last minute or consistently crosses a line you've drawn, you address it calmly but firmly. By doing this, you're showing that you won't tolerate disrespect. And guess what? A man who values you will respect those boundaries and rise to meet them. The beauty of this act is that it not only protects your self-esteem, but also sets the tone for how he'll view and treat you in the long run. And Act 2, be comfortable walking away. Here's a truth that might sound counterintuitive. The willingness to walk away can actually draw someone closer. When you're comfortable leaving a situation that no longer serves you, it shows that you're not desperate for his attention or validation. Instead, it's a signal that you're self-assured and independent. And men find this quality absolutely irresistible. Think about it this way. If you're holding on to something or someone out of fear, it diminishes your power. But when you're brave enough to let go of a relationship or dynamic that's not meeting your needs, you're showing immense strength. And ironically, that's often when a man starts to see your true value. Now, this doesn't mean walking away at the first sign of trouble. It's about recognizing when you've communicated your needs and nothing has changed. A man who's serious about you will respect your ability to stand up for yourself and will work to make things right. It's about showing that you're willing to lose the relationship if it means keeping your dignity intact. And that, my friends, is a game changer. Remember, self-respect isn't just about what you say, it's about what you do. Men find it incredibly attractive when a woman stands strong in her values and prioritizes her emotional well-being. Why? Because it shows that you're not afraid to put yourself first. And that kind of confidence is magnetic. Act 3, own your happiness. Happiness is magnetic. It has an energy that lights up a room and draws people toward you effortlessly. When you own your happiness, you show the world, including the man you're with, that you don't depend on anyone else to create your joy. This independence and confidence are incredibly attractive because it signals that you're emotionally secure and self-sufficient. Think about it. Have you ever been around someone who radiates positivity? It's infectious. Men are irresistibly drawn to women who laugh easily, savor life's simple pleasures, and aren't afraid to celebrate their victories, big or small. Pursuing your passions, whether it's a career you love, a hobby you're passionate about, or just moments spent with close friends, reflects a vibrant inner world. When a man sees that you're already fulfilled, he feels like being with you is a privilege, not a necessity. Owning your happiness also means embracing your individuality. Instead of trying to mold yourself into what you think he wants, you stay true to yourself. You're not afraid to dance to your own rhythm, even if the world doesn't always understand your beat. Men find this authenticity incredibly captivating. When you're happy within yourself, you become a source of light in his life, not someone who drains his energy, but someone who adds to it. And the best part? Your happiness creates an environment where love can thrive naturally, without pressure or expectation. Act 4, set the pace of the relationship. Taking control of the pace of your relationship isn't about power, It's about intention. When you set the tempo, you show that you value your time, emotions, and future. Rushing into a relationship might feel exciting in the moment, but it often leads to misunderstandings and unmet expectations. Similarly, slowing down too much can leave things stagnant. Striking the right balance requires you to deeply understand what you need and communicate it clearly. Imagine you're in a dance. If both partners try to lead without rhythm, they'll step on each other's toes. But when one person sets the pace with confidence and clarity, the dance becomes fluid and beautiful. By setting the pace, you invite your partner to join you in building something meaningful without the pressure of societal timelines or external opinions. Men appreciate a woman who knows her worth and is intentional about how she spends her time. It shows that you're not looking for validation, but for a partnership that aligns with your goals and values. This confidence allows him to see the relationship as a journey rather than a race, giving both of you the space to grow and connect authentically. By taking control of the tempo, you create a dynamic where love can unfold naturally. It's a testament to your self-respect and understanding of what you truly deserve. A love built on mutual effort and shared vision. This act not only deepens his respect for you, but also inspires him to match your energy and intentions, ensuring the relationship thrives on solid ground. 5. Be the source of peace. In today's fast-pacing and often chaotic world, peace is a luxury many people crave but rarely find. Being a source of calm and positivity in a man's life doesn't mean suppressing your emotions or pretending everything is perfect. Instead, it's about cultivating a relationship dynamic that feels like a sanctuary, a safe space where he can unwind, recharge, and be himself without fear of judgment or unnecessary conflict. Think about how rare it is to find someone who exudes warmth and understanding, even in challenging situations. Men are drawn to women who don't magnify drama, but instead choose thoughtful communication and emotional stability. It doesn't mean avoiding difficult conversations. It means approaching them with empathy and a genuine desire to resolve issues rather than escalate them. By being someone who can navigate life's ups and downs with grace, you become a grounding presence in his life. Small gestures can go a long way in creating this peaceful environment. A supportive word after a tough day, a shared moment of laughter, or even the way you listen with genuine interest can all make him feel safe and valued. When a man associates you with feelings of calm, comfort, and joy, it deepens his emotional connection to you. You become the person he looks forward to coming home to, the one who makes the chaos of the world seem manageable. Being a source of peace also requires taking care of your own emotional well-being. When you're at peace with yourself, it naturally extends to those around you. Practice mindfulness, set boundaries when needed, and maintain a positive outlook on life. This energy is magnetic and makes a man want to invest in a relationship where mutual harmony thrives. Act 6. Give him space to chase. Men are natural hunters, not just in a physical sense, but emotionally and mentally as well. They're wired to value what they have to work for, and this includes relationships. Giving him space to chase doesn't mean playing games or acting aloof. It's about creating a healthy dynamic where he feels the excitement of pursuing you. When you give a man space, you allow him the opportunity to miss you, to reflect on the connection you share, and to actively make efforts to win your attention. This doesn't imply that you should withhold affection or act disinterested. Rather, it's about balancing closeness with independence. Pursue your own passions, spend time with friends, and engage in activities that fulfill you. This not only enriches your life, but also shows him that you're not entirely dependent on the relationship for your happiness. With that said, thanks for watching. Until the next time.